now?
Right now we're taking him out. Our next mission is where that guy is. That creek is our next mission. That guy's already holding it.
This is at Paintball Explosion in Illinois.
I already got this side coming. These guys, you gotta get.
We didn't have any of this. I got shot out in that building. This is the bumper cart.
And you're alone.
Oh. I got a shield here, so I might be okay with my phone. They're up in there, so I can't really stand here. Good job.
Hey guys, we can get down there. Let's go.
Alright, I'll go get them. Let's get them in the move. Oh. Alright, where are we going?
Go, get down there.
Alright, let's go down to this tree. Go ahead, keep going. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. Keep coming. They're up there on top of the hill, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to play and look. Hey.
Push up.
Push right. Let's go right. Come on, go to that building. Go to that building. Let's go. Guys, move up. Look, he's in this building. Hey guys, I need a gunner right here. Gunner right here.
Where?
That's us over there. Look up to those buildings. Make sure no one's in them. There's a guy straight ahead in this building.
Okay.
They're walking down the hill. They're coming into these two buildings right here. They're up in that building. You got them. Good job.
That sucks.
Oh, you're out of air?
Right there. Literally right there. No, I can't reinsert though.
Watch that bridge. They're out though, okay? They're out right now. Alright, they're moving. They're moving. They're moving. Can we go to that building? Hey guys, you want to go up to that building? Yeah. Alright, well we can move up too. Just watch getting shot. They're shooting right there, right there. Straight through this behind the trees.
Wait, if you get shot, can they make you leave?
Yeah, I'm out. If I get shot, I'm out.
Alright, okay, gonna run behind me. They can't touch you.
Alright, go ahead. Go up to the building. Go. Go ahead. You can make it. There's a guy behind a tree. Gunner, gunner, shoot him up on that tree. Shoot. Just throw fire up there. Throw fire up there. Up behind. There's a person behind. See him shooting? Just throw. Move up. Go across. Go across. Can you do it? Woo! Good job. You guys are doing great. We have this whole hill. We gotta cross this. Oh, that's. Come on! I don't even have a gun. Where they at? Where they at? I don't have a gun. I literally don't have a gun. Go. Woo! Coming through. I ran without a gun, guys. You can do it. Up to this building. Go. Moving. Moving. He's getting a medic to someone. He ran back. Let's go. Let's go. 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 I have no gun. Where do they shoot from? In the building. Watch the building and the door. Mad Frog Militia joined. Hello, Mad Frog Militia. We got a good fight going on here. Ow! Go, guys. I didn't break. Good job, guys. Huh?
Come on, ladies. Come on, ladies.
All right, come on, guys. Let's go. I don't have a gun, but we got this. Go ahead. Move up to that bunker. Move up to that bunker. Go.